In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage Shopify store visibility. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. These settings are useful when your store is still being built, when testing changes privately, or when you are preparing the store before making it available to customers publicly. To get started, visit the official Shopify platform and sign in to the Shopify account connected to the store you want to manage. Once you enter the Shopify Admin dashboard, you will see the main interface where all store management tools are organized. Along the left side of the dashboard, Shopify displays navigation options for products, orders, customers, analytics, apps, and storefront settings. For this process, focus on the left side menu and locate the section labeled Online Store. This area contains settings related to your storefront and how visitors interact with the website. After selecting Online Store, additional options will appear underneath the menu. From these options, continue by selecting Pages. Inside this section, Shopify may display information connected to storefront access and visibility. Depending on your current store setup, you might see a message explaining that your online store is restricted. This means only visitors with the correct password can access the storefront. This type of restriction is common for stores that are still under development or stores connected to limited account plans. It helps prevent public visitors from viewing unfinished products, themes, or store content while setup is still in progress. To continue managing these settings, select the option labeled Manage Access. Once this section opens, Shopify will display the password currently connected to the storefront. Anyone who has this password can enter the store while password protection remains enabled. This can be helpful if you want to share temporary access with team members, clients, or selected visitors before launching publicly. As you continue through the settings, you may also notice information explaining that full public visibility depends on having an active Shopify subscription plan. If the store is connected to a free or inactive plan, Shopify may limit public access until a plan is selected. Scroll through the visibility section and review the available settings carefully. Near the top of the page, Shopify may show an option related to allowing anyone to access the store publicly. If required, continue by selecting a plan before enabling full storefront access. Once the settings are updated, Shopify will apply the visibility preferences connected to your account. After that, your store access will work according to the options you selected inside the Manage Access section. And that is the complete process for managing Shopify store visibility. Thank you for watching.